Australia is the third country to legislate against modern slavery, in order to mitigate risks of slavery and human trafficking locally and overseas. Over the next 12 months, more than 3,000 businesses are legally required to provide an annual statement on the risks of modern slavery in their operations and supply chains, the actions they have taken to address risks, and how effective their response is. A leading waste management and recycling company saw this as an opportunity to tackle this critical global challenge by promptly addressing the risks of modern slavery in their supply chain. They knew there were potential risks associated with products and services they acquired in Australia and overseas, but it didn't know where to start. Infosys Portland team helped the client in two parts. The first part was assessing potential for modern slavery in their supply chain by highlighting risks across spend and operations, revising policies, codes and procedures to align with legislation, conducting discrete and unscheduled field assessments with Precision Solutions Group, and developing a questionnaire to better understand modern slavery risks in suppliers' supply chains. The second part was to produce materials to increase employee awareness and develop a report on the assessment undertaken in order to assist the production of their first modern slavery statement. A significant proportion of the supplier expenditure was classified as high risk, but steps have been taken to refine this risk assessment through supplier self-assessment questionnaires and conducting discrete and unscheduled field assessments against higher risk offshore suppliers. The client is now prepared and confident to regularly monitor risks of modern slavery in their supply chains, and they are committed to not being associated with modern slavery practices. Don't want to be associated with modern slavery? Start preparing your statement today.